So the awkward part is that I knew I actually had to address this situation. But it's just, the more I think about it, the more I process it, it's just weird. It's weird because I was at the laundromat 1 second washing my clothes. I had a total of 17 bras. And then when I returned to the laundromat, I only had 3.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
What's up everybody, it's Okayrichay here, back again with another video, and today I am bringing you 4 more free bra patterns. And if you haven't seen my first one of 6 free bra patterns, I'll put the link in the corner up here in the little eye and in the description below. Yeah, I tried my best to research some more for you guys because that seems to be what you guys wanted, so here we go. I guess it's kind of my fault because low-key some girl was like, don't be leaving your clothes alone because they be snatching clothes out the dryer, and I didn't believe her because I thought she was a psychopath. And now look at me. Look, I have 3 bras left. Mind you, they took the good ones. They took like a good portion of my Victoria's Secret bras and they took my Soma bras. So I'm kind of upset about that, but now we're here, so December we're gonna be what is it, bra tutorials all December or something, I don't know. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course, and you know, stick around. We have plenty of tutorials on this channel, we have plenty of vlog activities, all of that. So I have my bra patterns here. I printed them in different sheets and stuff. Not very paper friendly, I might say, but you know, you can always recycle paper. I like using like old paper and normally printing on the back of it, if it makes sense. But these are free downloadable printer patterns, and who knows, maybe stick around, you might have as many patterns as I do one day, but you know, we can go ahead and get to that another day of my pattern collection. But anyways, let's start with bra number 1. So this pattern is actually from makebra.com, which it's more like a bra resource store, if that makes sense, where they sell like the actual proper equipment to build a bra. However, come December, when I actually start posting those videos and me actually trying out all of these patterns, I probably will be using what I have because we're energy efficient. That's not the word. We're sustainable in this household, except for the paper. That's a different thing. I didn't have recyclable paper, don't judge me. It's from makebra.com, and this is what it looks like. And it is actually a set. It's a downloadable set. It comes with the bralette at the top and the underwear at the bottom. I don't know if y'all really know or like underwear patterns, I guess, because Google Analytics says that the most searched is bras, but you know, it's kind of cool to me. Like, it'd be cute to have a set. I'm one of those people who I like to have sets. My lingerie collection was before it was stolen. It was super cute, you know. I had to have the matching bra and panty set. But anyways, this bra set, you have to have very stretchy material for it, but there is a con. I do have to tell you guys the con of it. This pattern is a one size fits all, or a one size pattern. So that's the one major flaw that I did find with this pattern. I did not test it out, and I will be testing it out soon, so again, stick around. But yes, if you do see this, if you do want this, you are going to have to pattern grade, and you are going to have to make several samples in order for it to fit you just right. So that's that one. I do think it's super cute. I don't have anything like it, so we're definitely going to try and make this. I don't know if it's gonna fit my body shape, and I might get demonetized for attempting to do lingerie on YouTube, but we're gonna try anyways because your girl has always wanted to build a lingerie line, so there's that. On to bra pattern number 2. This is another set. It is a downloadable pink set, and this is what it looks like. It does come in different sizes. I did check for you guys. The sizes are very limited. Like most patterns out there, they stop at a certain size, but that's okay because again, we can learn pattern grading somewhere else down the line, or if you want me to show you on this channel, just let me know. But this is a vintage set, so I thought it was super cute with the little high-waisted panties. I couldn't really tell from the actual pattern pieces of the actual details of the bra, but from the actual pattern it does look pretty decent, so we'll be trying that in December as well. Bra number 3, this is it. It's called the triangle bra. I guess you can see why, because of, you know, triangles. But this pattern is free and it has been around for a little bit, if that makes sense. The cons of this, I have to start with the cons because I feel like there's more cons than pros, but we're kind of limited on free bra patterns right now. That is until, okay, I guess we're not really limited on free bra patterns because we have tons of YouTube videos, but we'll get to that YouTube series and talking about free patterns on YouTube, drafting videos on YouTube another time. But this is just like, you know, downloading the pattern and being done with it, cutting it, and then starting on your patterns. But this one, it's not only a one size, it's not very clear on instructions. Like, the pattern is just literally 2 triangles. It's 2 triangles. I'm assuming it's facing and lining, so like the outside and the inside. But that's it. There's no other instruction. Well, there's instructions on the blog, but on the actual pattern pieces, it's just like you get it. It's one piece of paper. Sorry, it's one piece of paper, and you're just like, what am I supposed to do with this? So be aware of that. It's also not made for bigger chested people. It doesn't hold, I can't be groping myself on YouTube. It's not made for bigger chested people. So if you have bigger boobs, I would not suggest trying this. Or if we do try this, we have to figure out some sort of support. This does not have any cups in it. So that is something to consider if you're going to look at this bra. And the final bra, the number 4 bra, is actually another vintage bra. However, it's not for everyone. It is a bullet bra. Now, the last post that I did this with the 6 free bra patterns, I had a couple people ask me and message me on Instagram and comment down below about finding a free bullet bra pattern, which, I mean, I guess if that's your style. If it's more vintage, yeah, that's cool. I don't know if I will be trying this one online, but I did feel like I did need to give it to you guys because some of y'all have asked for it. But yes, this is what it looks like. It is not at all beginner friendly, so if you are newer to sewing, you might want to hold off on attempting to download and print this bra, just because it's not beginner friendly. In fact, if I do make this on my channel, it's going to be like a statement piece, more like a very extra kind of wear versus like a practical underneath your clothes kind of wear. This bra only comes in 2 sizes, which is a C and a double D. So yes, you're definitely gonna have to pattern grade if you are another size, which is the sad part. But again, this is not for beginners anyways. So keep that in mind if you do want to try this pattern. Okay, so that's all the free downloadable patterns that I found for you guys. I've been looking and looking and looking to try and make this a series. However, again, we are limited on the Google searches and the Pinterest searches and anything off of YouTube wise. So this is what I have for you guys for this. The next time I do a video on free patterns, it will most likely be to let you know all of the beautiful YouTube resources and the designers on YouTube who do provide instructions on how to draft your own patterns, or they provide sometimes your actual free pattern. I know a couple of YouTubers who do that, which is super cool, and I myself will try in December to produce y'all a couple patterns so that way y'all can use as well. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time.